Welcome back guys, I'm back with a new video from my own crafted recipe books. Velouté en lamb. It is a French delicacy infused with Indian spices and herbs. Here's a list of all the ingredients I have used. Some of them are completely optional and I have also given alternatives for them. Pause the video to check for the ingredients. Like, share and comment this video and also subscribe and press the bell icon before starting. So let's begin. First things first, always remember to wash, clean and re-wash the meat products. Then tap them with a paper towel or paper napkin to dry out the surface completely. So here we will make a small marination with generously sprinkling salt, red chili powder and applying oil on all the sides of the meat. After that, just sprinkle black pepper powder in accordance to your taste and give this big boy a gentle massage. After the gentle massage, just finish the marination by pouring lemon juice on all the sides of the meat to give it a tangy taste. So cover this boy with a clean film or clean wrap and let it rest in refrigerator for at least 2 hours so that marination can do its work. Moving on further, cut the head and tip part of carrots and further cut it into small chunks. Boil the carrots till they are completely mushy. You have to make carrot mash from it. A detailed recipe is given in the description box for the carrot mash. Do check it out. Now we will make mashed potatoes. To make mashed potatoes, just boil potatoes and crumb them. After crumbing, pass them through a fine sieve. By passing them through a fine sieve, we will achieve a fine texture of the potatoes as shown. After that, you add a dollop of butter alongside a tablespoon of milk and mix everything together to achieve a creamy consistency of mashed potatoes. Here, I tried to add some reverse and transitional effects to my video to make it more interesting. Write down your views in the comment section about it. After mixing everything together, just add salt and black pepper according to your taste. You can also add chopped coriander to it for more flavor and color. After mixing, just let it rest in the refrigerator. Now we will start by cooking the meat. To cook the meat, take a pan and add oil to it. Once the oil comes to heat, add the meat product in it. Then pan-sear the meat product for at least 5 minutes on each side. Remember not to disturb the meat product again and again while cooking. You can tilt the pan like this on the gas range to cook the meat for 5 minutes completely on the sides. After that, deglaze the pan with alcohol. I happen to have whiskey at that time, so I used it. You can also use chicken stock as an alternative. Deglazing will help the meat to retain the flavors from the pan. Reduce the glaze completely. After deglazing the pan, just add butter and melt it. Alongside with ginger, add garlic and coriander sprig. The ginger happened to appear like a finger, so I played the finger prank on my mother and it turned out to be a very serious and dramatic moment for me to handle. So my advice is to never do this. Okay, I know it was lame, so let's get back onto the recipe. Just paste the butter on the meat for 2 minutes on each side. Then straight it goes into the 180-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes at 200-degree temperature. Moving on to sauce, just add 10 grams of butter and 10 grams of flour together to make blonde roux. Cook them until you reach a dusty texture and blonde color. Add cold stock to the blonde roux and whisk vigorously to avoid lumps. Sieve the sauce if necessary. Add mushroom trimmings after sieving and cook it for 2 minutes. You will see that it has reached a velvet texture and shiny in color. Just cover it with butter to avoid any film on it. Now we are ready to plate. I sliced up the meat into small pieces and pour velouté on above of it. You can also do the plating all by yourself, or you can do as I did. I sprinkled coriander, chopped coriander to be specific, on it. I made small mashed potato flowers and used carrot mash as an accompaniment. You can see the photos and videos and also comment your views on my plating. Follow me on my Instagram handles, that is Eatstreet21 my page and Sanchit Ojha my official account. Like, share and comment the video. Also subscribe and press the bell icon for more delicious content. And please read the recipe in description for more clarification.